Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're bringing you a new pattern of the week. We call this one Biomech. It is a full meter wide. It's a black and transparent print. It has some sprockets and some roller chains. Looks like some hearts and brains and different mechanical devices in there, gears. The spines kind of look robotic. They're kind of cool. We're going to dip this on white today. We got a 60-second soak time. Our tank's at 90 degrees. Using Hydrographics activator. That is Biomech on a white base coat. There's some pistons in there as well. Brains and hearts. You can purchase this at kansashydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.